today we're going to be making the pineapple pop-tastic. I'm Amy.
I'm Sydney.
I'm Destiny.
I'm Adriana.
Okay, first thing you do is you get the yogurt. Ask a parent for help first. And then you're going to use half of 1/4 cup of blueberries. And then you blend at low. How do you turn it low? Once you see it's all mixed up,
After you pour it in a little bowl, you dip the balloon. Make sure it's covered all the way at the bottom. Put it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes.
keep this aside, you're going to use it. Once that freezes, you get something like a fork to pop it, or a toothpick. And you take the balloon out, and then you use the rest of this to put in. And you use 1/4 a cup of the fruit.
1/8 of a cup of blueberries.
And then that's it.